Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss about simplifying Kubernetes customizations with customized components. So here in this video, we are going to cover simplifying Kubernetes customizations with customized components. Here, Customize, a Kubernetes native configuration management tool, empowers DevOps teams to manage and customize application deployments efficiently. Components, an advanced feature of Customize, take customization to the next level by promoting reusability. This video explores components in depth, showcasing their practical applications and benefits. So here the prerequisites are: Customize should be installed and the version should be version 5 or higher. A basic understanding of Kubernetes, a Kubernetes cluster, kubectl install, and a project directory structure. So here, what are components? Components in Customize are modular and reusable pieces of configuration logic. They allow you to define optional functionality that can be enabled or disabled across different overlays, making them ideal for managing shared or environment-specific configurations. So here, when to use components. So components are particularly useful when multiple overlays share common configuration logic, such as debugging or monitoring settings. So if you want to avoid duplicating configuration code, optional features need to be toggled on or off for a specific environment. So here you can see this is the directory structure. So in this, we have the base. In that, we have deployment and customization files. So here we have separate directory called components. In that, we gave a debug. So in that, we have config map and debug.yml and a customization file. So here in the dev and prod, we gave two customization files. So now here you can see this is the base configuration. Now let me dive into this. So now I'm going to create a directory called project. So in this, I'm going to create base components and overlays directories. So you can see we got base components and overlays. So in the base, I'm going to create these two files. So now I'm going to create deployment.yml. So here I'm going to take this example code. So it's a basic code with two replicas. Now I'm going to create customization file. So in this, I'll specify the deployment.yml. So now I'll create another directory called debug. So here you can see. So in the components actually. So in the components, I'm going to create another directory called debug. In the debug, I'm going to create these two files. So in this, I'm going to use this code. Here, I gave debug as enabled. So now I'll give the customization file. So for this customization file, I'll use this code. So I gave the API version and kind as component, and the resources I specified the config map resource. So now I'll go to the overlays now as the component is completed. So in the overlays, I'm going to create two environments which are dev and prod. I'll create the dev and also prod. Now I'll go into the dev environment. So in this, I'll create a customization file. So in the customization file, I'll specify the resources and also I'll specify the components. Now in the production, I'll create another customization file. So here I'll use this. Here I didn't specify the components, I only specified the resources here. I want to show the difference now. So now let's apply. So now if I build in the dev environment, here you can see the debug is enabled in the dev environment, and this is the base configuration. So now if I build in the production environment, we won't see the debug. See here, we can only see the base configuration, but in the dev environment, we can see the config map here. So now here the dev overlay includes the debug config map, while prod overlay contains only the base deployment. So this is the difference here. So here now benefits of components in Kustomize. First one is reusability, as shared configurations can be managed centrally. Second one is flexibility. Here enable or disable functionality for specific environments. Third one is efficiency. It reduces duplication and simplifies complex setups. So in the conclusion, customized components are a powerful feature that enhance Kubernetes configuration management. Components improve reusability and modularity, allowing you to simplify complex workflows and promote best practices for managing multiple environment setups. So by leveraging these features, we can build scalable and maintainable Kubernetes deployments with ease. So this is about simplifying Kubernetes customizations with customized components. So yeah, thank you.